Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I shall get to it. This sketch was not my sketch. I thought I'll give this a try. It's actually of a girl, but this one just looks slightly demonic. See the way that she's looking up, and then the angle of the cheekbone, the jaw and the cheeks, it completely threw me off. I thought it would be relatively easy to capture, and I was completely wrong because I'm not entirely convinced I actually captured it. Yeah, so it's one of those ones where it's a learning moment again, and I'm going to go back to it, and that's what I've found. I have gone back to photos that I've tried previously, and then I've given it a month or a couple of weeks, and then I go back to it and I'm able to capture the sketch. So yeah, I'll go back to it, try it again, and I'll see you then. See you later. Bye.